Hey guys, this is Joey with Low and Slow BBQ, and today we're going to be grilling up and smoking some trout. We have a friend of ours that caught some trout, and he gave us a big mess of it, if you would, and so we're going to be smoking that up today. Stay tuned. As you guys can tell, we've got several different fish here. We got some pretty good size, some trout and stuff here. We're going to take these big boys over here and we're going to cut them and just score them on the edges. I got them soaking in this brine, then we're going to put them on the smoker. Good, but I'm just going to cut them here, 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 and here. Now, as you can tell, we've got both sides scored on this fish here. Cut them pretty deep there, close to the bone. We're going to stick it back in our brine, leave it in there for a couple hours, let it set, soak up some of that salt and stuff, and then we're going to toss them on the grill. And these have been put in a brine for over 24 hours. Just kind of scored them there. Now these have not been. We got a little salt and pepper on these, and we're gonna throw these on the smoke at 225. We got all of our trout in here. We got our big guys down low and our little guys up tall on the top. We're gonna shut this door at 225 and let them bump. All right, we just flipped this old salmon. It's kind of lost some of the skin on it there. It's super tender, but it's gonna be good, guys. 225 for about the last hour, hour and a half, hour 15 minutes. We're gonna let this cook on out to 10. Internal temperature is above 145 on both of these. This one did not have the brine on it. This one did. Both had salt, pepper, blends on the outside as far as seasoning. But we'll just take a peek at it. As you can tell, it separates really, really easy. Just pull it back. And there you go, guys. That's your nice cooked meat there. You see the steam still coming off of it. And on these little guys, it's pretty much the same way. You just reach in and grab it. You can tell. That's why I scored the other ones. It makes it a little bit easier to get the meat off there. But what you can really do is you can just pull that skin back if you want once you get it started. Then you just grab a hold of it. You got a handful of good meat there. Like I said, internal temperature on these was above 145 when I took them off. You can tell these are just some fresh caught, some trout. Look at that. That's the beauty about scoring the meat with the knife before you cook it, is you can take and just pull it right out of that skin. There you go, guys. Low and slow.